All right, number 12, we want to find the derivative of f by simplifying first. F of w is equal to 3w to the third. This thing is kind of fading out. Let's see if we got a better one. Okay, so we'll rewrite this. Dividing by 2w means we're dividing each term by 2w, so we'll write 3w to the third over 2w minus 5w over 2w. Alright, like this we will cancel out a w from each one, so we can take away one w and that'll leave with 2, get rid of that w, and then get rid of the w from both of those. So that'll leave us with f of w is going to be equal to 3 over 2 times w squared. That'll be minus 5 over 2. And so now when we take the derivative, we'll multiply by 2, so we'll have 2 times this 3 over 2, and then we'll have a w to the second minus 1, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So multiply by 2 cancels out division by 2, which will leave us with 3w, and then 2 minus 1 will just be just 3w. Uh, 13, we want to find the equation of a tangent line at x equals a. Use the graphing utility to graph the curve and the tangent line on the same set of axes. So we are given y equals e to the x, and we are told that a is equal to ln of 2. And so we want to find the equation of the tangent line. So in order to find the equation of the tangent line, we needed a point and we need to find the slope. So using our original equation, we're going to plug in ln of 2. This is our x value here. So we'll say y e, and we'll plug in ln of 2. So ln has a base of e, so that will cancel each other out, leaving us with 2. So our ordered pair, x is ln of 2 and y value is 2. So here's our ordered pair, and then we're going to find the derivative. Well, the derivative of e to the x is still just e to the x. Okay, so here's our derivative, and we've already plugged in this to our derivative, and we got 2. So that tells us that our slope is equal to 2. And I'm kind of running out of room here. So the slope of our tangent line is equal to 2. So we have y equals mx plus b. And so y equals 2x plus b. We just need to figure out what b is. So if we plug in 2 for our y value, our x value is ln of 2 times our slope, which is 2, plus b. We'll subtract the 2 ln of 2, so we get 2 minus 2 ln of 2 equals our b value. So this whole thing right here would equal b. And so we get our equation, y equals 2x, and then plus 2 minus 2ln of 2. And then it wants us to graph them on the same axis. Now e to the x, it curves up like the exponential. However, even without graphing these, if you look at the slope of your linear equation is 2x, telling us that we will have a positive slope. So this is a horizontal, looks like at 1 maybe, and this is a negative slope. So the only graph that would remotely match is A. However, if I can pull up this calculator just to kind of show you that as well. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay, we're going to go to y equal. I'm going to clear out what I have here, and we're going to type e to the x. All right, we graph that. So here's the graph we get curving up, which most of them have. Okay. Except for this one, is curving downward, so you can eliminate c that way. And then we go back to y equal, and we go to y2, and we're going to type in our tangent line, 2x plus 2 minus 2 ln of 2. And then when we graph that, see that line goes through, and it just looks just like A.